Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how we can retrieve the employee names, that is how we can query this table and get the employee names who have even employee ID. By even numbers, I mean that 2, 4, 6. So in our table employee, we have just two employee IDs with even number, that is 2 and 4. So our result should be Ajay and Sunny. So we'll see how to do that. So I'll say select, I'll create a new query and I will say select employee name from employee where employee ID mod 2 is equals to 0. Let's execute this. So you see that the answer is Ajay and Sunny, which was the answer we wanted to have it. So it's very easy that this expression, that is the column name mod, this percentage is called as mod 2 is equals to 0, will give us the values in that column which are even. Okay, so if you don't know what mod does, is mod basically gives us the remainder. So like we have division, the division gives us the quotient, the mod gives us the remainder. For example, if it was something like 4 mod 2, the answer will be 0. Mod mod basically means remainder. Okay, so whenever the remainder is 0, so if a number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is like it is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, it means that it is a even number. So this is how we can check values in a column for even numbers. This was a very small query, but sometimes we do get these questions in our multiple choice questions. So I thought of sharing it. So the expression to find out even numbers in a column is column name mod 2 is equals to 0. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it and have a great day.